Rock Gold Academy. We just don't teach, but we transform. Behind every successful student stands a dedicated mentor.
Hello everyone, myself Panipat from Rock Gold Academy. I would like to introduce my PGTs. They are experienced, passionate and future focused. They are not only our PGTs, they are the academic leaders.
Meet the pillars of our senior years, our postgraduate teachers, each bringing years of experience and dedication to their subject.
Hello everyone, my name is Shamli, PGT Physics in Rock Gold Academy, Shamli. I have 15 years of teaching experience. For over a decade, we have made science relatively connecting theory with real world application.
Myself Nushijan, Mrs. Nushijan, PGT Chemistry in Rock Gold Academy. My experience is 11 years in education. I am always loved to the by work hard to the experimental views in our daily life.
Hello everyone, this is Pawan Srivastava, PGT English in Rock Gold Academy, and I have got 15 years experience to teach in CBSE schools. And today,
hello students, my name is Anumesh Deshwar. I am having a long experience of 13 years teaching economics. I am taking my students to their goals through the most practical subject of economics.
Hi everyone, my name is Amish Sharma, PGT Mathematics in Rock Gold Academy, Shamli. My experience 15 years CBSE school.
Hello everyone, myself Sachin Namde. I teach class 12 accountancy tutor and I have experience more than 15 years to teach accountancy. My last year result in accountancy 100 out of 100.
With decades of experience, our teachers combines wisdom with modern methods, making learning engaging, fruitful and effective. From academic results to competitive achievements, our mentors ensures that every child shines. So join a school where teachers are not just qualified but trusted, where knowledge is passed with excellence, and excellence is the only goal. Rock Gold Academy, shaping minds,